Here is the old Salem elevator. This thing is being modernized. Those are the old buttons right there. You can look in the elevator and there's the old controller. Here's the old car operating panel. This is an old Salem. The only thing that works on here is the alarm bell. Listen to this. This is ringing the alarm in the elevator. All right, we are here at an undisclosed location, and we are going to take a ride on this old Salem elevator. Look at that indicator. All right, we're going to go up to 4. The fixtures have been replaced by Otis. Old relay logic control. We'll go back down to 1. We'll end the tour up on 4, right?
Yeah.
Old GAL or newer GAL fixtures, non-ADA compliant phone. I'll go up to 4 and end the tour. I got a treat for y'all on YouTube. How would you like to see the machine room of this beautiful elevator? I'll tell you what, we're going to go do that here in just a second. That's the cab right there. Ooh, look at that door. The button will go out when the door closes. There it goes. And now we're going to go up and take a look at the machine room. We are here at an undisclosed location, and we are in a vintage Salem elevator machine room. We're going to get to see this old Salem elevator in action. Look at these relays. She's going to radio before it calls, right?
Yes.
That's the old selector. There it goes. There it goes. All registered. Here it goes. And that is the machine room.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.